5a. A factory produces 10,000 widgets per second. How many hours does it take to produce 90,000 widgets? Let's write down a ratio. So let's say the left side of the ratio is the number of widgets, and the right side of the ratio is number of seconds. We know that a factory produces 10 widgets per second. How many hours does it take the factory to produce 90,000 widgets? In order to get from 10 widgets to 90,000 widgets, we had to multiply it by 9,000. So we have to do that to the other side of the ratio too. Times 9,000 to get 9,000 seconds. So right now we have 9,000 seconds, but the question asks us to write down how many hours does it take. So we have to divide 9,000 seconds by the number of seconds in each hour. We know that 1 hour is the same thing as 60 minutes, which is the same thing as 3,600 seconds. Which means we have to divide 9,000 seconds over 3,600 seconds. Now we're going to simplify this. We end up with 90 over 36, which is the same thing as 45 over 18, which is the same thing as 5 over 2. Now we can divide. 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5, which means that it takes 2.5 hours to produce 90,000 widgets.